Whoops. Yeah, hi. I'm very excited to stream today because after some very deep thought on the matter, um, oh wait, am I? Oh wait, disabling performance mode. Yeah, you guys can hear me. That would have been awkward. All right, so um, oh, sorry, I'm using a posture trainer because I've noticed that my posture's been getting worse and worse. Um, right. So I was thinking, because how am I gonna get these enemies here if they have to go through these collisions that they rely on? So I was having this thing where I was thinking because the ricochet wasn't working, so I was gonna make, you know, kind of new behavior for it to stream, to mesh with the colliders, and yeah. So for me, I was having a serious think about it. And then I was thinking, like, why not just have like little portals for them to come through and then move from there? So I'm going to be changing the way my enemies spawn to reflect what I'm trying to do. So, sorry, noises are happening. Yeah, so with that, let's jump into it because I'm really excited to try this. Alright, so just gonna make sure you guys can see what I can see. Fantastic. Let's just, there we go. This posture trainer is so it's good. It's really rough on me. Right, so I did actually have an asset for this game that I haven't used yet. I'm just gonna do some file navigation, guys. Give me a second. There we go. It's probably tiny. You guys will see. I'll launch GIMP in a second. Just remove that from. There we go. Did you know you can't breathe through your nose while you're smiling? That was really that like I almost did it, but then I'm just like, wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. I have sinuses. Um, yeah. Oh god, like I can't move like lean forward at all, and my sides are starting to. My core is just, right. We are going to go into the versatile mints. There we go, and just to yeah, that's very funny. That's very funny. No, we want to. What? What is this song? I'm sorry. I'm not a fan. I'm just gonna skip that. It's just really annoying. It's felt like this little. Oh my god. You say that as if I'm not always smiling because I'm legit excited to be working on my game. um, let's just launch GIMP then. Yeah, let's. So basically, what I want this to do is. Oh wait, I could just Pixel Studio. Oh my god, that thing is nagging me again. Ah, Baines, dear old Baines. I don't know. I don't know how old you are. Um, I'm wondering how I want to do this because I hum, hum de hum de hum. Right. So what these look like that I'm about to show you, I'm just gonna go over to here, and you guys. Okay. Yes, I'm smiling and I can still breathe through my nose. Yay. Cue your cheesy joke. I shall humor you. Um, yes, all of my zero progress can get lost. Nyah. That's adorable. Alright, so we are gonna navigate to the same. I don't know why I sound so nasally today. I'm just gonna talk through my nose. Doesn't sound so bright. I don't know. Okay, so this is what I had before, and I would be thinking it would be really cool to turn these into a portal that the other ones go through. So, nasal bullshit aside, Yeah, might as well make an animation out of this. Um, and I was talking to a friend, and I thought it'd be really cool uh, to actually give a bit of a nod to Portal, to um, yeah, with orange and blue. So that would be fun. Uh, Sorry, I've been coughing a lot with the I don't know whether it's my aircon or the smoke anymore. Anyway, jumping back into it. I now want to add an animation to this. So I'm going to duplicate this. Oh lord, my spine. Alright, so... Oh no, I don't want to make multiple layers. Or do I? Yeah, no I don't. Alright, so what I'm going to do is... this one. There we go. And then I'm just going to zoom out. There we go. I can see what's going on. Can you guys see what's going on? Yeah, you guys can see what's going on. It's good enough. I'm satisfied. Ah. Performance mode. And so what I probably want to be doing is making this portal bigger over time. I haven't decided if I want to, well, do I want to make this thing bigger? If I'm going to have other enemies go through it? Yeah. Ugh. Alright. Well, I mean, this is kind of like an art asset that this is something that I'd probably want to work on later, so for the purpose of me being really excited to just get fucking game development out of the way, I'm just gonna enlarge it. Embiggen it. What does embiggen actually mean? Give me a second. I'm gonna do some aggressive Googling. Because I see it in games, but I don't actually see it in, like... Oh, okay, so it's, right. So apparently it is supposed to be like a non-serious way of making something larger. So, cool. Embiggen. Like you need to embiggen. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. I just know that I'm working on a better tomorrow. This is what I'm doing. Actually, I'm gonna have the red mint. Yeah, that needs to be scaled up like a bitch. Alright. Oh, I forgot the scaling that I did on all of them. I think it's ×5. I think it's 500. Right, I probably should have scaled the image, not just the layer. That was fun. 75. I can math. Oh, wait. Yep. Checks out. Yeah, that's gonna be much larger because if I compare other other enemies, like that's just not big enough. So I shall make that even larger. I'm gonna say double the size, so 150. Look at me mathing on the go today. And I think it would be cool to have that scale up and spin in. Mint enemy 1. Mint portal. Alright, and obviously I'd need to put like a, oh spine, a flashing like alert sign that there's gonna be a portal there. So there's that. Alright, mint portal. Yeah, I'll just drop it right there. Oh boy. Sorry, like I had a bit of a late wake up today because I was like, oh, 7. It's 8:45. Let's go. Because I've been having really irregular sleep. It's been a pain because yeah. Alright, so I no longer need this. I'm not entirely sure what this is, so I'm just going to delete it. Yes. Alright, so what I'm going to be adding is... Alright, and I'm going to be having to change the pop rock behavior like all over, so... I mean... Well, yeah. Oh lord. 45-degree turn. I don't know. Yep, so they'll be traveling down whatever it is. Can you guys hear that buzzing, by the way, or is it just me? Alright, so that's all as is. That's as is. Okay, so, you know, the hay behavior is looking good. The only thing it isn't doing is... Motherfucker. Alright, so I guess that's what happened. I'm just gonna duplicate this if I can. Don't think I can. Gonna select it and duplicate. Control W. Hey, Control W is what I was looking for. Alright, so I should be able to move up here and just do a 300. Fantastic. Got exactly what we needed. Except that's not a bottom 2. That is a top. Alright, fantastic. What have we got? We got all of the goods. Alright, so I probably want the... Alright, so I'm gonna have to change a lot of the spawn behavior. After I finish my experiments, that is. Alright, so I'm gonna add a new blueprint class, because I do actually want to check this before moving on to the next thing. So, new pawn. Portal. And we're gonna be going into here. Let's see. My brain is thinking. Alright, so I'm going to be needing to... Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot kind of one of the most important things, which is actually adding the... Oh, Lord, my leg. Alright, so mint portal. Gonna drop that asset in there. Alright, you guys can't actually see what I'm looking at. There we go. Mint portal, gonna drop that into... out assets. Images? There you are. Images. Move here. And I'm just gonna make a sprite of the thing that I just dropped in here. Where are you? I don't know. Oh, there it is. And then we're gonna make a sprite out of it. Drop that into less sprites. Gonna pop into here and do what I always do, come down to the filter. Oops, I forgot where it was. Make sure it doesn't look like shite. And then add that as a sprite component for the time being. I will make that a... There we go. Paper sprite. Portal red sprite. There we go, and I'm just gonna be moving that up here. I don't think I could classify this as an enemy, but definitely as a hazard. So what I'm going to do is add an enemy tag to it, but it will not have the same parent because it won't be homing towards the player. It just kind of pops in, throws up enemies, and pops out. So that works. So I'm looking for the It's really nice to have something that's not named like anything else. Alright, so that's looking alright. Event graph. So I want to... Oh, I probably want to add a collision. Just, I don't know, like I have this like, it must have a collision. It is not a game object if it does not have a collision. So that happened because my brain decided to go on a rampage. Alright, so this is a lot bigger than most of my objects. I think I might want to scale that back. We'll see how it goes. It's an adventure. Alright, so I wonder if I can change the transform. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over and to the player character, the Karut ship. I really ought to clean up my aisles. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing is spawn AI from class. Okay, so one of the things that I can't do is, okay, so I can... There we go, set actor transform, and what comes out of here? I don't know. Alright, so I can make a transform. Oh, nice. Alright, so I can... Okay, so what I want to be doing is... So the two behaviors that are really important to me is to have it spin in and to have it scale up and spin in. So that's important to me. So I have got the scale and rotation for that. So in that case, what I'm going to do is, no, not this one. I'm going to go up to portal, and she'll have a starting scale of 0. Okay, not entirely sure what just happened. Okay, I'm not sure what I just witnessed. That's all right. What is going on? What? I'm sorry, what? Does anyone else see? Did anyone see that? Okay, have fun. Alright, so I'm gonna start that with, okay. So I'm gonna start that with 0, or like 0.001. Dude, what? Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. Alright, so there is a reason you're not seeing anything. It's because there is a... Why are you all the way over there? Okay, so... It's been doing this really weird thing where it's just been like, one of the values is like 0. See what I mean? It's doing this weird shit. So I'm just gonna close this and reopen it. Because I got no idea. Alright, so let's reopen that. Hopefully it won't be doing any of that weird shit anymore. Alright, so. Weld. 0.1. And see, all of these scale up. Oh, wait, hold on. That makes sense. There we go. So it had this weird locking thing where there we go. Alright, so that's what it's supposed to look like. And let's just unlock this and make sure it's functioning as business as usual, because it's driving me insane. Alright, I'm not sure why I've got this whole accent thing going. Alright, so we want this to be all at 0. And then I want to be begin play. Set actor transform. Yeah, it was. It's because the scaling ratio was locked. So when I made changes to the value, it locked itself for some reason. And so whenever I was changing the values of one, the ratio of the other two would change along with it instead of being able to be changed independently. So that's nice. All right, so what I want to be doing here is when it's launched, I want it to wait. So new transform. So that is going to be. Is that a sprite? No. So I want to be making a transform, and so 0, 0, 0. So wherever it is at the time is fine with me. The rotation should be 0, and then what I'm thinking. What is this sweep? What's a sweep mean? Oh, fucking finally. That was the end of my posture training. Oh, sweet slouching. How I miss thee. Oh lord, you guys have got no idea how much I miss slouching. Okay. Okay, so triggering overlaps along the way and stops short of the target if it's blocking something. Yeah, okay, an autosave, thanks. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a try, and see if the sweep will make do what I want it to do. So set actor transform, and so this time we're going to make a transform, and we want it to scale up to 1. We're going to make it sweep, which I assume means that it's going to do the sweeping motion, and I want it to rotate in the Y by like 720, so that's 2 rotations. Alright, so that's awesome. I'm going to go over to Karoot, and I'm just going to make sure that it spawns as... Oh, wait. I just want to disconnect this. There we go. And we just want to spawn it... Let's just say slightly to the left of the character, so probably like 200. I don't know how big it is. And... portal. I'm so excited for this, guys. I'm so excited. Alright, so... Let's see how this do. Alright. What am I saying? Okay, that didn't even rotate. Okay, so that did not do what I thought it would do. Alright. Alright, so what I want it to do then... Oh, wait, that's because I had plugged it into the wrong thing. That was funny. Okay, so I want it to be a scale of 0, 0, and 0. So that's the first thing that I want. And then let's try that again. I mean, I don't see it rotating. Not sure why it's spawning more of them. Okay, so... time to... Okay, so... what I'm going to do is I've set this as 0, 0, and it's wherever it's at. So I'm going to grab the event tick and use that and the delta seconds because that's going to be important to what I'm doing. Alright, so set actor transform. Yep, and so set new transform. And location, just it's not going to be moving at all. The rotation, break transform. Oh, that's good. That's good. So I can then use this in the branches. All right. So we want to get actor, rotation, and then make rotator. Okay, so I can't make a rotate plus rotate. Oh hey, I can rotate a vector. That's nice. Oh fuck. My brain just... No way. I can rotate that. Oh my god, my brain. Oh, this is how I'm gonna do my pop rocks. Yes! Alright. Alright, cool. So... by the looks of it, I'm gonna have to break this rotator. I'm gonna have to add a y, so that plus float 1, make a rotator again. This is gonna be a long ass branch. The things we do for art. Alright, so I'm gonna move that back, plug that back into the y, and then put that in there. Make that all nice and pretty because it's not looking pretty. Is that lining up? Yeah. Yep. As is. It stays 0. Just gonna make that. That feels better. I like that. I'm just gonna... Yeah, that lines up well enough for me. Slip that down there. Yeah, excellent. There we go. And scale. Because we want this to happen over time, that's also something I'm gonna have to... yeah, that's something I'm also gonna have to... so, yep. Wait, why is that times? They want it to be plus. Vector plus float. Sure, why not? So that's going to be 0, and then we are adding 0.1 to it. We'll see how that goes. And then we're going to add some branches. No, wait, hold on. So I'm thinking in range might be better. Oh wait, no, compare. So what this might do is, so what this will do is when Uh-oh. Alright, so what this will do is when I break these into their respective, so let's say with scale, so that's break or convert. Let's see. No, I just wanna make, I just wanna break the vector because it doesn't really matter which one. And let's say the x input compare with 1. Yep, and then the rotation, break rotator. Oh, I probably want to break into axes. Okay, yeah, no. So I'm breaking the rotator, and when that reaches 720, yeah, so that probably scales up, and I want it to keep spinning. So when that is equal or more than 1, that's going to happen. And when this is equal or more than that, we want to set the transform where we want it to just keep it that way. So, yep, get actor rotation just as is. So I want to slap that under there, make it all nice and neat because we can see what's going on. Cool. Yep, scale should be at 1, and get actor location. So that works nicely. It looks nice. It's really fucking weird looking now, but cool. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna see how that goes. Hopefully that should give me what I'm going for. That looks amazing! Did anyone else see that? That's beautiful! Oh, I love it! I love it! Alright, so apparently 2 rotations was not enough. And I don't know why this was... that only stopped at 1. So let's say 1800. But it's achieving what I want it to achieve, so, you know, that's nice. Okay, I don't know why it stopped there, but it's getting there. It's got collisions, which is nice. Collisions aren't great, but, you know. Right, so, and then with these collisions, I want to make it into a... I'll figure it out later. Oh, right. Custom, and it is a pawn. So when I move through it, it should... So it looks nice, and now I should... Nope, I will figure that out later. Alright, so for some reason, it decides to stop at 0.1. Okay, I'm just gonna disconnect this. And just have a look at what, you know, what it looks like when it's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go into here and oh, absolute scale. That's interesting. All right, so 1, 1, 1. Okay, so there we go. I'm just gonna see how this spawns as it is. Okay. Let's go into the portal, event graph, connect to this stuff, and see how that goes for me. Yeah, because I've made this, you know, what it is. I don't know why it's decided to stay that size. Okay, compare with 10, let's say. I don't know why it's staying this small. Alright, well, I mean... Unless I'm just not reading these right. I'm just gonna... My brain, I'm just... Okay, yeah, so this is less than. This is greater than. So if it's greater than 10, move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm going to try something else, and it's going to be in range. So I'm going to try a branch. If false, get another branch. And then if false, yeah, get the rotations to stop. Alright, so in range, float. Okay, I'm gonna need a lot more room, so I'm just gonna... Or I'm gonna need a lot of room the other way. I'll figure it out. That'd be what I do. Alright, so... Gonna move this down here. Makes sense to me. Alright, so... While the X, let's say, value is... Oh, I didn't get the active scale. That's what's going on. Yeah, sure. Why not? And add 1 to it. So, while this is... So, when that is outside this range, move on and check this in range. So what this is doing is... Oh, no. So what this is doing is it's checking for the size of the... So that looks fine like that. And pitch. 720. And then that sets the final destination. Not the movie. Please don't copyright strike me. There we go. Okay, looking a lot more complicated than I intentionally, originally intended, but, you know, part of the learning experience. Okay, so just to walk through what I made. So we are initially getting the transform and making the changes of no change to location, adding a 1 unit of rotation to make it spin the right way, and increasing the scale of the object. That's probably what's going on. Let's see how this goes, and then I'll talk through the rest of it because I don't want to talk you through. Whoa, that's amazing! Woo! All right, so um, that went way beyond the scaling that we had intended. Okay. I'm just gonna. What I'm gonna do is right, and it's gonna fix all of my problems. Yeah. So I'm going to increase the speed of the rotation, actually, because it's waiting for the command. So that should make it spin much faster. Whoa. Okay. How about I make this just a 90-degree change? So this is per tick. It should get there pretty quickly because it's only rotating 90 degrees. So, okay. So for some reason, it's just, yeah, it's decided to, right. Okay, so what we want to be doing then is moving or deleting this for one, and moving all of this down. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this will fix what I'm trying to do. All right, so hilarious and kind of depressing because I'm trying so hard. All right, so just gonna move all of this down. Move this forward, make that look nicer. Move all of this forward. Whoops. Grabbed the wrong thing. That's what she said. Oh no. Alright, cool. That's looking a lot more. That looks. Okay, so that's how it's gonna start. Hopefully that will fix it. Oh. Alright, so what I'm thinking is event tick, and we're gonna have a sequence. And sequence 1, I'm just gonna break this, grab this, move this away. Because how do I get this to only run once? Because it's doing the right thing, it's continuing to do more after that. Okay, see, because it keeps growing, and yeah. Unless I'm going to custom event this shit and intro, and so that will be its thing, and then intro. So hopefully that will fix it. Alright, so I'm going to add time since creation? Yeah, cool. Alright, so that's gonna work. I think. I hope. And that will... hopefully. Because this is a thing that happens over time, right? So... or I could intro and then delay for 2 seconds. That could work. Alright, so I'll remove this parameter. I'll delete this from here. I don't need the game time anymore. So let's see what this does. Because I only need it to run once. Okay. Run once. Because I know that's the thing. Okay, I know that I've got it in here. Let me just have a look at my Kahoot shit. Because I remember that I have this thing. Do once. Alright, so, yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So, in that case, do once. Hopefully, this will do the thing that I wanted to do. Alright, I have a feeling that that's because that is... Okay, so that's what I'm running into. I'm running into the issue that it's proceeding to do this every time. When we just want it to run through once. Alright, how about... ooh, task wait delay. That's nice. That must be for like idle games and stuff, or you know, progress bars, or you know, like while you're waiting for something. That's amazing. Alright, we discovered something new. Yay! Alright, so do once, intro, and then let's give it a delay of like 3 seconds. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna remove this. I'll just... woo! There it goes. Alright, alright. New idea. New idea. How about... oh, yep, I got it. I got it. Alright, so... it's gonna take some wackadoodle things. So while it's true, do those things. And when it's false, don't do them. Alright. It looks like shite, but... okay. Oh god. Oh god. Infinite loop. I'm sorry, guys. I've created an infinite loop. Oh no. Unreal may crash. I apologize in advance for this. Yep. Yep, I know. I'm sorry. I have failed you. Alright, so I'm just gonna break all links. Alright, so alright, so what I'm thinking is I'll do it the other way. Yeah, I'll do it the other way. Mm. All right. We don't need to worry about that. That can sit as is. But I'm going to add a... Hmm. Strawberries and razor blades. That seems like what's that like soft goth? I think it's like called like neon goth. Let me just look that up. Now I'm curious. Or like Lolita goth. No, not neon goth. What have I seen? There we go. Pastel goth. Very pastel goth. Oh, I'm not sure why that was so guttural. Alright, so... Okay, so the comparison branch technique did not work. Unless... Well, see, this only happens... I'm just gonna Z back to, yep, this is when my code was nicest. Alright, so that's intro. How about I start with a comparison? Yep, so I'll start with a comparison because then it won't run through this whole thing. Right, so I'll start with that. So, in range. Because, yeah, like at the moment I'm finding this whole thing where it uses the comparison to figure out what it's doing. And then, yeah, so get actor transform. Oh. How did I do it earlier? Oh, I just used it. Okay. So get actor transform. And then we are breaking that transform. And so the first thing we want to be grabbing is... I'm just going to raise this whole thing. It'll be fine. So first thing we want to be comparing is... And then branch, again, if true. Always use integers, because you never know when you're going to have a... never know when you're going to have your point values, your decimals. Oh, my spine. Alright, so rotation. We are wanting to break that rotation. Break rotation, and we want to grab the Y. I'm just going to move all of this back so I have some room to breathe. And then we're going to grab the scale. Break vector, doesn't really matter which one we use because they're all going to be the same because they're all being scaled up by 0.1. And so let's say X, for example. While this is within 90, and while this is within 1. Yep. Alright, so making that comparison beforehand will determine if that's a thing. And yeah, cool. So it'll be running that check before it makes the changes. Cool, so it's done that. It looks like shit at the moment because it's on a weird 90-degree angle. And I want to change that back to 1 so it's like nice and slow. Alright, so. Okay, so I probably want to increase that from like 90 to 180 at least. But it kind of, you know, it's comes in very slowly. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that at, that's 180. Okay, I probably want to keep this thing rotating now that I think about it. So I am going to remove the comparisons, but I do want to scale up. So I'm going to remove this. I am going to grab this and paste it here, just because I like it. I'm gonna keep it. So set active rotate. Just, you know, it's nice. It's a nice little thing. It's got movement. It's got life. It's got a life. I have a life. Yep. So there's that. Except we're going to be moving this whole thing elsewhere. So this is what Code Spaghetti is starting to look like. All right, so we're going to be removing this. Going to be connecting that. Going to be moving this up here. Going to take the rest of them with me. All right, so I like the scaling. I want it to keep rotating slowly because I feel like that gives it kind of like an eerie feeling. But I do want it to kind of stop scaling after a certain point. So what I'm going to do, in addition to making my code less complicated, it's going to move those so they line up. Oh wait, I want to get actor rotation, and it won't matter anymore, but it's just good to have that. It's the one in the middle, so I'll get that to line up like so. And oh my god, something that they didn't really think about for the people with ADHD is you've got this, like, it's not centered, so it doesn't matter what you do, it's never going to line up properly. Not ADHD or OCD. It annoys me. I don't actually have OCD, thank fuck. It's one of the very few things I don't have. No, one of the very many things I don't have. Alright, so we don't need this rotator. So we don't need this branch. Just gonna move this up here. Gonna move that back. Yep, so, yep. That works, and then if that is false, yep. And that should stay at that rotation, that scale. Cool. Gonna move these under here. Cool. Alright, I'm sure you guys can see what's going on. First the comparison, then the changes, then the comparison again, and then set as is. So hopefully that's going to give us a really nice, like, slow... Oh, that looks up. Oh no. What's going on? I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Okay, so for some reason it just stops and dies. I have a solution for this. So break rotator. Right. In range. Uh, what I'm gonna do is, hmm. Yeah, nope, nope. How do I set it to continuously rotate? Okay, so when I play the simulation here, so it seems to be getting stuck at a certain point. I've got no idea what that is because I've removed everything to do with the rotation. Is it one of those things where I'm just gonna have to close it and reopen it again? Because I think so. Oh wait, I haven't compiled this. No fucking wonder. Alright, so that should work now. Okay, so it's only getting stuck at like 90 degrees for some reason. Okay. Am I having another cursed object in my game? Is it actually happening? I'm gonna close it and reopen it, because sometimes that helps for some reason. Viewport, simulation. Okay. Boy, do I have a solution for you. I'm gonna make a new object. Okay, seriously though, like, I'm very confused. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it like this. Um, this is good montage music. I feel like I'm really doing something. Um, no, we don't want a sphere. Sorry for yelling into the. You know, like, I say that, but I don't know how. Like, I think I really mean it because I'm just having these really weird code bugs. So that is. Yep. Okay, mid-portal collision. Sure, why not? Let's put that underscore in there because we like having our consistency. What's this? Oh, it's my lip gloss. I don't know why they called it liquid lip gloss because lip gloss is defined as a liquid. Anyway, ooh. What is a construction script, by the way? Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting. Anyway, so back to it. Let's just add the mint. The mint portal sprite. Yep. What size was it over here? $73. Jesus. I will scale it down later. Not really a, not a lordy. Is it just me? Or no, it was just me. I thought I thought one of these rings was off, but it was just the angle. Alright, so I'm going to come over here and grab all the code. Oh, that's why. No, that shouldn't make a difference. Yeah, that shouldn't make a difference. Alright, so I'm gonna grab all of this and I'm gonna go over here. Slap it here. You think it doesn't exist, but it does. Okay, what's the problem? What? Okay, I'm just going to delete this, rename intro. Oh wait, no, that's not what I want to do. I'm gonna come up here. Yep, that should do it. Alright, so now I'm gonna come over to the car route and spawn AI, and I'm gonna go for portal and select mint portal, which is chain, like has a different name. Alright, let's give this a go. Oh, okay. Hello, Banff Mittens. To fix one of the spawning issues of my game, I have added a portal. So what I'm doing right now is creating the animation for that portal. So I'm just seeing how that goes because I'm doing it by hand. So yeah, okay, so I'm still having that glitchy issue. So, you know, like, cool. Oh, actually, this would be really helpful for me. I'm going to, you guys can't see me move this thing around, but I'm just moving it out of the way so I can see at what point my code fucking fucks up. Alright, so, just gonna move my character, gonna be watching my code. That should have definitely spawned by now. Okay, so for some reason, it's not showing me what code is being run. So, alright. So it's doing that weird flippy majiggy thing, if you see that. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, so I think it might be happening when it's reaching 360. No. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, so I'm first of all going to delete this extra one that I don't need. Well, not necessarily. I had a lot of my favorite game experiences with pixel art games, for example, Terraria and Minecraft, and I felt intimidated by the. I don't spend my time making traditional art. I've always been introduced to pixel art, and then even earlier, like when I had like a SNES, I was introduced to Metroid and that. So it's my first. It's my first. It's blah 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 blah. It's my first introduction to games, and back then it was due to hardware limitations. But now it saves me trying to find source and work with another artist. So yeah, I make all of my pixel art because it's easier to do and easier to carry onward. But you'll find a lot of people buy 3D assets from other people and then use that. I would just like to keep it all within, you know, try to do everything by myself. Alright, so going back to the portal. Okay, what I think has happened. What I think has happened is that it's still got that code in there that's comparing it. So that could be what's going on. That like the Can I open this as a I am going to have a quick Google of open blueprint as code. Okay, so Okay, so I think that's what's happened, is that since I copied the code over, it's giving me this really weird error of yeah, it's giving me this really weird error. I mean, I really don't want to. Well, okay. Let's try something else. Let's try this workaround. Branch. In range. This value. 360. Once that is false, change it to set rotation, set actor rotation to 0, 0, 0. Yeah, cool. But if it's true, just keep doing that. I mean, wait. Where'd the intro go? Okay. Cool. Alright. So I'm just gonna plug the intro into here. But I only need it to run once. Fuck. Alright, let's just test that out. Oh wait, that's not gonna... One thing at a time. Okay, that's not... Okay, so the reason you saw that was because I pressed F1. That's not gonna happen again. So... Begin play should be around here somewhere. Just going to disconnect this. So that should just give me... It should just spawn as it is on the right side there. Okay, guess not. Oh, that's probably because if I go over back to the cat root ship, it's spawning something that no longer exists, which is amazing. So, just giving you an update, guys. Oh, I should be taking my break and stretch. Yeah, but my jaw is getting kind of tight, so I probably have like another, 15 minutes to half an hour in me. But yeah, we're doing better every day. And this will solve my spawning issue, which is great. There we go. Just gonna, oh, there we go. There's that hip click. Stretch out my spine, reach up, and lean to the left, lean to the right. Seriously, it's probably a good idea for you guys to do that too, because sitting down for a long time just isn't good for you. And just reaching down. Oh, my hamstrings. Oh lordy, my hamstrings. Oh, there it is. Just leaning left and right to just get those inside of the legs. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a short stretch because I'm really excited to get this done. So in the cat root ship, which for some reason was closed. Yep, so that was not spawning anything, so no, we want the portal. There we go. So there's this portal. I wonder what behavior tree is. Anyway. So let's launch that. Oh, thank you. Hey. Alright, so it is now rotating. So it's still rotating 90 degrees before dying for some reason. so I'm gonna come up here. And oh my god, my brain. Okay. Hum. Yeah, no, like I said that my brain is checked out. Alright, well, what's something... Okay. I must employ the Google. Okay. So apparently there's a component called rotation. Rotating movement. There we go, look at that. Alright, so what do you fucking know? It does exactly what I wanted to do, so I don't have to do this fucking bullshit. Alright, so I'm just gonna Nice. Alright, so allow me to just delete all of this. I spent all this lovely time trying to figure the fuck out. Ugh. This is why you should always fucking Google. Alright. Oh, sorry, sorry Google. The Google thing on my phone reacted. just to... That's why I'm apologizing. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Rotation rate, I don't want it to move. I want it to move in the Y. I swear, if this does exactly what I need it to do, fuck everything. Okay, I'm not entirely sure why it's why is it... Why? Alright. Is it just me, or is it going, like, faster and slower? Well, negative 180, because we want it to... Oh, it's the rate. Okay. What if I just... What is going on? I don't understand. Why is it... Okay, so... I think we have a cursed object. Because there is no reason this should be happening. Okay, Oh, I get it. Right, I get what's going on. I know what's going on. It's this thing right here. And yeah. Alright. So yeah, so that's what's fucking me up. Alright, so Because it's only happening when it's reaching reaching the size that it's supposed to be. So this is trying to. So what happens when I just. So I've removed that, so it should be just rotating as is. Whoa, that's really trippy. Let's just change this back to, let's say 5. Okay, so it's having this weird thing where it's just, oh wait, hold on. We wanna... Okay, so... Hopefully... Okay, that's doing what I wanted to do. It turns out it was something that was later on in the code. Alright. With this achievement, I have new zealous to move forward. Alright, fantastic. Alright, so... There's that. We've done the comparison beforehand, the comparison during it, so it's gonna be the size that it is. Yep, so that's sequence 1. And then we just want it to keep rotating, and sequence 2. Delay. And then what I want to do is I want to make a close, so I'm going to copy this whole thing and then just custom event, and I'm going to call that close, and I'm going to go the other way and make it disappear. Yep, so in that case, I want to be negative. Yep, so hopefully that should do what I need it to do. Move that up here, next to that. Alright, so that shouldn't close. I've just put the action there. Okay, I just want to move that to move a little bit faster. Kind of drive me a little bit crazy. Alright, so let's double that and... Let's see what that does. Whoa! Is that messing with anyone else's brain? That's crazy. Whoa! Alright, cool. I just wanted to see what that would do. That's all. Alright, so let's make that 30. 50. 100. No, 100's too much. 75. I don't want to make people sick. Yeah, that works. I like that. Feels good. Alright, so... Turns out that's what I needed to do. That's nice to know. Alright, so what I want to be doing now is going into here and giving it 3 seconds. Oh wait, but after it closes, I want it to destroy. If false, then destroy actor. Oh my god, you guys, it's actually happening. Alright, so, where is it? There it is. Adding a pin. Close. You guys excited? Are you guys as excited as I am? Alright. Okay, so. Um, uh, okay, so I'm going to put that as negative 0.0001. Hopefully that should stop it from dying upon impact. Okay. Now it's not spawning at all. Oh wait, hold on. So minimum value is 0. Let me just have a good think about this. So while this thing is within 0 and 1, get it to scale back down. Yep, break that scale, 0 to 1. I'm really wondering why this isn't going in this sequence. That's probably because I'm gonna try negative minus 0, 1, negative minus 0.1. Let's see if that works, because right now it's kind of like closing before it's even opened. Okay, so why don't we just not destroy the actor, and so it should like just open and close infinitely. Okay. So if it is I'm just gonna do a compare if it is 1, yeah, if it is 1 or more. One or more. So that should work. And then with here, if it is compare, if it is 1 or if it is 0 or less. There we go. Hopefully that will fix that up. Okay, I'm really wondering what's going on here because, yeah, it seems to have just stopped. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove this and hopefully it should work as intended. Okay, so something that I did with the compare floats that has fucked this up. Alright, let's go back to what worked. And delete this and have a think. Yep, and then this. Alright, so the exact same action but backwards. What I'm going to do is probably destroy all of this, because we don't need that. Yep. So there's a chance that this might just straight up invert it, or just make it not exist. I'm really wondering what the fuck is going on, that this would be a thing. Alright, because it's only after I add this. What if I do it from here? What if it's a... What if I do it from here? One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, so for some reason, okay. So let's try this. What if I only have it do once? Because right now it's like trying to shrink, but it's got nowhere to go. Because it's only scaling it up by 1. Oh, fuck. Alright, so... okay. I think this is the same behavior issue that I was running into earlier, where, you know, this is... Okay, so... Time... Oh! Yes, okay. Function by... Okay, cool. Set function by time name. Looping, no. How long to wait before? Okay, so function name is no, set. Okay, so this is another thing that we were taught in the class. All right. Okay, did I not? Okay, I'm just gonna copy. Go maybe here. My functions. Paste. Shit. Paste. Yes, excellent. Hopefully it only pasted once. Cool. Alright, so. This should only run once because it is a function. Fantastic. I'm just going to change this to intro. Okay. You exist. Intro. Okay. I'm just going to delete that. Rename. Intro. Right. Okay. Set timer by function. Oh, you serious? All right. All right. So apparently that was a thing. So I'm just gonna do that custom event again. Call that intro. Why doesn't it let me rename anything? Okay, allow me to just Z back. There we go. Fucking finally. Alright, so... Okay, that's a thing. Okay, why am I getting an error? I'm not getting an error. Okay. Okay, so that should only run once. It doesn't run at all. Okay. Okay, instead of doing this shit, I'm just gonna comment and portal open. And then once that is false, destroy actor. Alright. Initialize portal and we want to comment this and order of operations. Order of actions. Alright, that should save me a lot of effort of dragging things around. Alright, so. Just gonna line that up. There we go. Gonna move this somewhere out of the way up here. Okay, so the issue I am running into is that I need the event tick to open up the portal. So that's the intro. So there we go. Then we've got the delay. After which I am going to spawn a candy corn. Just to make sure that, you know, it's working as should be. I'm gonna give this a 1 second delay. And let's see how that goes. Okay. Well, it's happening. Cool. So it's doing that every second. Okay. So it's running in this sequence. Alright. So now I get how this works. So it's running through this, then going through this, and then going through the last one. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to add more than 2 behaviors in this way, because yeah. Alright, so what if I do this? What if I delete that comparison? Oh lord. Oh lord. Okay. Now I remember why I have it there. Okay, so. However, I don't need that whole thing in there. I can just have the compare. Yep, compare float. If it's less than 1, then I can run that through. So hopefully that should do what I need to do. Okay, fantastic. Alright, so it's doing that. And then, yep, cool. So that's happening. And then just I don't Alright, so and then we have closed. Yep, so we've got this. And nothing happens. Oh boy. Alright, so this is significant progress to last time because now we've got a way to bring enemies in of different behavior types. So I'm going to leave this where it is right here. And, you know, think of another solution and try to figure out what sequences or what I can use instead. Yeah, but thank you for all the people who dropped by and asked a few questions. Beans on Toast, always lovely to have you. And yeah, this is some good progress. If I can get it to close, that would be great, because then I can actually put something up on my socials. But yeah, thank you very much. Make sure to check out my Twitter for any news on whether there will be a stream or not, because sometimes things come up, because that's life. Instagram for all my pretty pixel art. That is separate from the game. What else? Yeah, my Reddit's been a little bit neglected. I'll be fixing that up. Just